Hey Maya, so here's the thing. So you're asking that question again about the first derivative test versus the second derivative test. Once again, if you're not told which test to use, you can choose, right? So it's always an option. Like you have two extrema tests to pick from. So it really becomes which one do you want to do in the moment? Which one is easiest? So I think on your quiz, you use the first derivative test for extrema. Regardless, if you use the first derivative test for extrema, I believe you would have taken m prime over here. You would have found that 1 is a value where m prime equals 0. And then your sign goes like this, doink, 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 right? So by the first derivative test for extrema, right here, first derivative test for extrema, minimum number of mice is at t equals 1. But let's say you want to use the second derivative test for extrema. So what would happen here, if you use a second derivative test for extrema, you would not do this first derivative sign analysis. You would still first find that m prime equals 0 at t equals 1, but then you would find m double, and you would plug in 1 for m double. And if you noticed here, if you plug in t equals 1 for m double is positive. So then you'd write here, by the second derivative test for extrema, there is a min number, for extrema. Okay, you can write the rest. There is a min number of mice at t equals 1. So once again, when you ask me why did I use the first derivative test for extrema and not the second, it's just, and my answer is because that's what I chose to do. Okay. In this case, I would argue that like either test for extrema is equally easy, right? In this case, either one is perfectly easy. But I would say there are some situations like that wire one that we did in class. That one is one where the second derivative test for extrema is far easier. Okay. So I hope that answers your question. When it comes to picking which test for extrema to use, the first or the second, it is very much up to you. All right, I hope that helped. Let me know. See ya later. Bye.